Welcome back, guys, to our DSA challenge series. In this particular phase of our series, we are looking at the questions which are based on trees. So let us see our today's question. Our today's question, we need to find the bottom left tree value. So let us read our question. The question says we are given the root of a binary tree and we need to return the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. So there are two main things, leftmost value in the last row of the tree. So our first task is to find the last row of the tree. Once we have found the last row of the tree, we can return its leftmost value. So let us understand this question better with the help of an example. In example number 1, we are given a tree with nodes as 2, 1, 3. So it consists of two levels. This is level 1, this is level 2. So in last level is the level which contains nodes 1 and 3. And the leftmost node in this level is 1. So what we need to return? We need to just return 1. In the second question, the tree is given to us. And the last level is which contains node 7. And there are no nodes apart from 7. So 7 is only going to be the leftmost node of this particular tree of the last row. So we will just return 7 in this particular case. So I hope the question is very much clear to everyone. We just need to find the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. So what we are going to do, we are just going to apply the DFS with some modifications. So let us see the modifications with the help of the code. See what we did. We made some global variables in ANS equal to 0 in which we are going to store our answer and we need to return this particular variable as our answer. And we have also defined one level to keep the track of the levels. And initially we have made it -1. Now what we did, we have substituted DFS. We have called a function DFS and passed root and 0. Why we have passed 0? Because we are treating the level at which our root is there. We are treating at the level at which our root is there as level 0. Level 0 is the level at which the root of the tree is given to us. So we are passing root and the level is 0. So let us see our DFS function now. We have a root with us and intel denotes the level of the tree. If root double equals to null, then we will directly return. Otherwise, we will check. If root left double equals to null and then root right double equal. What does it mean? If root left double equals to null and root right double equals to null, it means that it is the leaf node. That particular node is the leaf node if this condition is satisfied. If this condition is satisfied, then we are going to check if L is greater than pre-level. If L is greater than pre-level, why we are applying this condition? We are applying this condition because we need to reach to the last level of the node. The question clearly mentions last level of the node and the leftmost node of that particular level. So we will check. If L is greater than pre-level, then we will store our answer as root value and we will change pre-level from 0 to that particular level L and we will return. Otherwise, if this particular condition is not satisfied, then what we are going to do? We are going to update the value of pre-level. Pre-level equals to max of pre-level comma L. If root left is not equal to null, then we are going to pass that root left in our function by increasing the level. Because if the level of root is 0, then its child level will be 1 greater than it. That is why we will pass root left L plus 1. If root right is not equal to null, then we will pass the root right and with the level again as L plus 1. I hope it is very much clear how we are making the calls. These are the recursive calls which we are making. The main logic is this only. This condition will help us to reach the last level if L is greater than pre-level. This condition will help us to reach the last level of the node, the last level of our tree. And in this answer, we can store the leftmost node of that level. I hope the question is very much clear. And it was a pretty simple question. If the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.